What if tiny words you use every day are secretly sabotaging your credibility? Continual, continuous, continuously. They look almost the same, but one slip could make you sound clueless. Stay with me for the next 4 minutes and you'll not mix them up again. Meet Mia. She just moved beside a busy road, and her first sleepless night sparked a furious text. I can't sleep. The traffic is continuous. But was it really non-stop noise or something far more irritating? Her friend fired back. Continuous? You mean the traffic never stops? Or traffic that comes and goes? Suddenly Mia realized this mix-up mattered. 9 p.m. to midnight, cars streamed past every second, no pause at all. That's continuous, like a river that never quits. From 2 a.m. to 4 a.m., the road stayed silent until a motorbike roared by every 20 minutes. That's continual, not continuous. Continual. Stop, then start over and over. Are you still with me? Here comes the twist. Mia's next text read, motorbikes keep passing continuously from 2 to 4 a.m. So as you have heard, that was wrong because her noise had gaps. She needed continually, the word that shows repeated bursts of breaks. So quick test. A baby cries for 8 straight hours. 8 straight hours. Is it continuous or continual? That's continuous because it's 8 straight hours. Email pings all afternoon, then silence, then pings again. Which word fits? Continuous or continual? It is continual because there are gaps. There are moments of silence. Number 3, water flows. How does water flow? Continuous or continual? Water flows from the tap when you turn it on. So water flows continuous because it never stops. Once you turn it on, it flows continuous. Number 4, my neighbor's dog barks. Continuous or continual at night. It's quiet, then bark again. Quiet, then bark again. So the answer is obviously continual because it's quiet, then bark, quiet, then bark. So my neighbor's dog barks continual at night. So my neighbor's dog barks continually at night. Got your guesses? Did you guess it right? So a quick review. Continuous, there's no breaks. Think a solid line. Continual, repeated with gaps. Think a dotted line. Continuously, doing something in a continuous way. So our examples: continuous crying, continual pings, water flows continuously, dog barks continually. Now it's your turn. What happens continuously in your life? What happens continually in your life? Drop 2 sentences in the comments. one that needs continuous or continuously, and one that needs continual or continually in it. I'll reply back with feedback to you. If this cleared up your confusion, hit like, share with a friend who mixes these up, and subscribe for another 4-minute power lesson next week. I have already done the word simple, simply, and simplistic. You can check it out if you haven't already. So don't let tiny words trip you up again. Master them now.